You know you're not going to get Zapier on a lifetime deal, but what about getting an alternative that can practically do everything that Zapier can for a lifetime deal? Well, that is Albato right now, that you can automate your applications using this system. Now, it practically can do everything that Zapier can, but with less apps, but it's still really powerful. Now, currently, this is on a lifetime deal, and you'll be able to start making automations without having to pay a month-to-month payment. This starts off at $89 for the lifetime deal, and let me show you what that is going to get you. Now, currently, they have 4-tier plans, and tier 1 will be more than enough for 9 out of 10 users. There are a few limitations that I dislike, but it will get the job done. So license tier 1 has 15,000 operations and has an update time of 5 minutes. I really hate that because sometimes you wanted to check every single minute, because if new data is incoming, it'll have to wait for 5 minutes to capture that data and then start the automation. So that's why you would jump to license tier 2. But if that's not an issue, then tier 1 is fine. Plus, your active automation numbers are 20. Like I said, it's more than enough for most people. And there is a few limitations here on the bottom where you have data migration, custom webhooks, auto replay data, custom HTTP requests, and app integrator, which lets you create custom applications. When the app is not created, you can create it, okay? Now, these are limitations that are not available on tier 1. Most people won't need them, but it's up to you if you want to grab this plan. I think the sweet spot is license tier 2, which is what I actually have. You don't get access to dedicated queue handlers, but that's totally fine for me. Now, it will have the 1-minute automation recheck plus unlimited automation numbers. So that is the sweet spot. And if you need more limits, jump into tier 3 or 4, which gets you way more operations and the dedicated queue handlers. Now, how does Albato work? Albato is pretty much straightforward. It's an automation system where you can build your flow, and it's not complex. I mean, as long as you know how to make a connection, then you're good to go, because some applications will ask for an API key, some will ask for a bit of setup, but it's not complex. I mean, once you set it up, it's practically set and forget, okay? You can get started from scratch, or you can use a template, which I would highly recommend if you are getting started. Now, there's a bunch of templates pre-created here on Albato, especially on the most popular applications. So you can get started, for example, when a Jotform submissions, we'll take it to Mailchimp, and you can make tags, you can create a new contact, you can do several things with this. In this case, let me go ahead and open up one from scratch, just to give you an idea of how the flow works and how you would get started building. So this is the main canvas to start building the automation. Go ahead and give your automation a name. I'm just gonna say test so I can delete it later on. Hit enter, and then we have the automation builder right here. So first off, we got triggers and actions. Triggers means that, well, something needs to be triggered in order to continue and do an action. And that's where the automation process begins. So for example, if I take, for example, Jotform, well, when someone submits the form of Jotform, I wanted to do something with that information. So an action. So I'll select Jotform right here. Here we go. I'm going to do a new submission. I'm going to select the form that's connected to my account. In this case, party RSVP, for example. Here we go. Let's go ahead and test this. So it brings in that information. Let's go ahead and close this, and we should get that data right now. Here we go. Okay. So now we have some data right here, and then I can jump into the action, or I can add something in between. Now, in between, there's the code, there's tools, and there's actions. Actions are all the bunch of apps that are available. Code is code that you can actually bring inside of here, which I think is pretty cool that they give this option to the Albato users. So there's JavaScript, and Python is coming soon if a lot of people vote for it, which is going to make it super powerful if you can add Python code inside of this. Now that's a bit more complex, a bit more advanced, but if we get that option, that's going to be cool. At least we get JavaScript right now. Then you got the tools. Tools are things that happen in between, like conditional logic, branching, etc., all from here. For example, if I want to do a table replacement, I can select this one. If I want to do branching, this is a fantastic option. For example, you can branch to different automations based on something that happens in a certain part of the automation. Then you have your stop automation on a condition. So for example, if it doesn't meet the criteria, you can go ahead and stop the automation. For example, this is a party RSVP form, and if someone is not going to attend, well, I can stop the automation on that condition. So it's a great idea to stop it there and don't continue consuming credits here on Albato. You got your router, which can do for different situations depending on the response on the form, then route it. Date and time modification, so you can do some modifications depending on the structure of the date. You got break, data cropping, and there's way more right here that make Albato really powerful, and they keep like improving all of this, which I do like. When I first got Albato, there was about 5 tools here, and now they have a bunch of available tools that are for different situations. This repeater is going to save your life most of the time if you want to repeat an automation in certain processes, which is pretty cool. Then you can add another action right here. If you already added an action, you can have this option here to add an action in between. But in this case, we have the action available here. So you can do several available things. Just find the application that you want to use and go ahead and send that off. There's over 1,000 applications available here. Plus you have the option to create applications, which makes this really powerful. But most of the most popular applications will be available right here, already pre-built, so you can just make the connection. So for example, if I want to send this off to my Brevo account, I can do so. All I have to do is connect Brevo and then select the action that I want to do. For example, with the data from the Jotform submission, do I want to create a contact? And that means that with the name and the email that I'm going to receive from the contact from the Jotform, I can send and create a contact on Brevo. So I can have that on my email marketing service, or I can update a contact in case it changes, send a transactional email, or a custom API request with Brevo. So just go ahead and create your trigger. Take advantage of the available tools to filter, to branch, to use conditional logic, and then launch your action, and then kick off the automation by starting it off. And that is going to be triggered every single time that a submission is made. So it's pretty cool that you're going to get all of this for a lifetime deal without having to pay a month-to-month payment. So Zapier is super expensive. Once you check out that you have something available like this, that you can grab for a lifetime deal. Now they currently have a 10% discount, so you want to take advantage of that because the price is going to drop even more. So just go ahead and use the link in the description to head on over here and check out Albato and grab one of these lifetime deals. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this lifetime deal. I have it because I use Albato on another account, and I use connection to use on, for example, the eBay style from my country, which is Mercado Pago, to respond to questions available there. And that's something that's not even available on other automation applications. So you have a few applications that won't be available on other platforms, and some of them will be missing here. But like I said, the most important ones will be. So check it out, decide which plan is right fit for you, and decide to grab the lifetime deal. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about Albato, if it's a yay or nay, and what you would like to see in Albato. Well, that is a wrap for this lifetime deal.